Hey guys, I'm Telfun Detachable Head Shavers. It's a Telfun upgraded 5-in-1 electric head shavers for bald men or any other purpose. 100% waterproof, cordless razor, wet and dry shaving. So it comes in a nice box. As you can see, this is a manual and the different attachments. So it's a 5-in-1 and then it's also have a 5 dual track heads and the mess free hair capture. So all these like nose trim and all these different attachments are there. It's like for the shaving, massager, and the main shaver with the trimmer. And you can see it's a very small factor here that you can easily grip with this rubber grips. This is a charging cable, so it's a USB rechargeable. You can just put in here and then put in the USB. So manual is straightforward that you can use, and you can use it to shave your hair in the shower because it's a waterproof, and you can also clean it. I will show it later on. So this is the one's charge, and you can see like the power is on. So let me put this the main shaver here. So you have to just put in here and just click it, so you can remove the cover and it will start working. So this one you can just use to shave, and then this is like the brush or the massager or anywhere you want to use all the different attachments in here. So I'm just showing on a hand. I don't want to shave my head, but of course like you can just put all this type of different attachment and then use it. This is a nose trimmer. You can see the vibration inside. So all the different purposes that you can use it here. You can also put the different attachments on this cutter and then use it. So this different comb will get like a what type, like how long you want this hair off, and then put all these type of different attachments. So I was just using it directly just to show. So see like it's cutting the hairs very well, and this is like a zero size sort of. So you can see that it's cleaned this up. So not hurting and smooth functioning. And this one have this magnetic thing here, so you can so like it can the directional it can move, and then it can also open up with this magnetic cover set. So you can clean it with the water directly and just open it and just clean it. So trimmer that can be used to side trim or good. So overall it's a good trimmer and shaver.